Hello, let's start. Another day. Hello. So we will continue with the idea of the Shark Tank AI generator. This actually is looking awesome. I'm really excited about this because I have been testing it with some ideas like this one. The results are pretty incredible because they are really accurate, actually realistic. It feels like a real shark talking to you directly. So I'm really excited about that, about this. So let's start coding. Let's continue. So this is like the interface I have so far. This is the dashboard. We also have like these backgrounds. Let me refresh. I'm really happy with this. Um, so we have like the Shark Tank background in here. Master your pitch with AI Shark Tank. Practice your startup pitch with AI Power Sharks. Get real-time feedback, improve your presentation skills, and boost your confidence before raising real investors. Um, in general, I always create ideas that, honestly, most of them are like to me. Um, in the past, I was creating music with Ableton, producing music from scratch. I built all the music. All the music that I built was for me. I was always listening to my own music on the gym. Actually, that's one thing I want to do in the future. Not right now. I'm still busy, but in future I will start again producing music from scratch with Ableton. Um, but yeah, this idea is because actually pitching is very difficult when you are not like a English native. To me, in Spanish it's very simple, but in English it gets really hard. So with this tool, I will be able to practice. So let's start practicing now. So yeah, as I said, this is the dashboard. You can upload your pitch idea. So you can practice several ideas. You only have to set the business name, business description, elevator pitch, and then you go back. I already have some pitch set like this one. So I click on practice. There's a final check ready to face the sharks. Are you ready? So we have the credits. Of course, I have like infinite credits. Enter the shark tank. This is the interface that created. Right now I'm some testing, right? That's the reason it's red color.
Welcome to Shark.
Yeah. So this is real with Tabus right now. I know there's some issues with these borders, but this is related to the model itself. I cannot improve this right now. So that's it. I just have 30 seconds of video because I don't want to use all my credits. This is a very expensive platform, so I don't want to be using all my credits on tabs, right? So I just set 30 seconds timeout automatically in order to avoid like keep this online and using all my credits. And actually, if you go to, well, if you take a look to this number, this is the time of sessions. This is the number of sessions that I have complete so far just to test this at this level. That's this project took me so far maybe 2 days. Yesterday I was really tired because my crypto sessions on the morning. So yeah, today I'm feeling better actually. I will be streaming not that much, maybe 2 hours. Then I'm gonna go to the gym and then it will be back again to the coding. So let's start. I was the reason that I have a red background is because that's one way I always do to debugging like videos and images. So I just need to replace the red background with the image that I'm using as a background. I think is this one. No, it's another one. I found these images public from Shark Tank, so I'm able to use it. Actually, they place this picture so you can be able to just copy paste and upload your selfie. I found this on the Shark Tank page, so we are free to do it. Okay. Um, I oh yeah, that's okay. So I just need to find again my component simulation green screen. No, this screen, this not this one, maybe this one. Yeah, this one. Daily video component. I just want to add background only to this component. I could do it, by code, but I like to showcase hold. So add this image as a background even when it is loading. I have right now my beautiful cat that's always with us. This out. Hey, Misty! Oh my God, she's so beautiful. Hey, Misty, say hi. And right there is Bailey. Look him, Bailey. Oh, this is my day today. I'm always with them. Okay, so let's back to the code. It's updating the component. How is going the one prompt challenge? My mate complete this challenge. I haven't taken a look, but I just saw that Sep Pipe just published his update regarding to applying to the one prompt. So he create bold wins. Let's take a look. Oh no, what I'm talking about, sorry. Bold wins. Sorry. Um username James Yara. Hello. Seb, we are streaming your challenge right now. That's it, maybe. I don't want to upload. Yeah. All right, let's continue. So we have the background ready. Enter the Shark Tank. Oh, beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I really love it. I'm just having issues with
Welcome to
with the component.
James. Let's dive into the details. What kind of revenue are we talking about for Uysin? And what are your financial projections for the next 3 years?
Do you like? This is so awesome. Okay, end screen. Now we're going to look for the red background, and we just need to remove it. This actually is in the green because this is a really complex. Um, this is a really, 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 really super complex component. It is creating a WebGL canvas. Then I am overwriting the original daily video with the canvas and replacing it like a copy pasting each second into the canvas by replacing the green background. That's how I'm able to show like a transparent background. And the red actually is green, but I just changed it to red just to be able to find myself um, the spaces that the component is using on this screen.
Welcome to Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea.
Awesome.
Uysin.
Yeah, I know this is not perfect, like these borders are still green, but this is something related to Taos. It is outside of my hands. I cannot like update this. Um, I also have deactivated the microphone because otherwise it would be like talking with her and with you and with me will be a mess. So that's the reason. Um, that's the reason that I just got like a tweet from Ball.new. I'm really excited with this. Really excited. Um, so sorry. I know I'm talking a lot of things right now, like a crazy guy. That's me always. I don't know what even I'm saying right now. So how's your life, people? I mean, I really talk only sales meeting. I never see people. I have everything. I built this property by myself. I hire all the construction people. I was doing all the management because building software is, well, building properties is the same as building homes and houses. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. We also have bugs. Like doing like when you are building software, you will always have bugs. It's the same here. This house took me 4 years of my life. Um, one day I was like, what I am doing here? Why I'm building this house for 4 years, spending all my own money. I'm not. I built everything from scratch. I mean, I'm not like from a wealthy family. None of that. Actually, my mom is dead. My dad as well. I don't have family. So one day I was like, why I'm doing this? So I stopped because I got obsessed. I usually got obsessed with the things, and it's really hard to me to not get obsessed with things. I focus a lot and just get. I could be, we're doing something, and then I just what I'm spending so many hours, months of years on this. So, yeah, my days are always software development. I used to be a software developer and always state that like that I used to be because I'm not anymore, or maybe I'm not looking to be anymore on that path. I right now just doing companies in startups and doing some crazy stuff. You can take a look to my website, all my stories there, jamesjara.com. So I'm feeling like doing something new right now because let me complete the tweet. Paul just asked to share your idea with emojis, and let's say this is Shark Tank. So let's let's saturate bold with shark icons. I am having some fun lately. I was a bit depressed the last 8 months. I have been under depression. I'm okay telling you guys because sometimes people don't like talk about that things. And if you feel anything, just send me a message. I am open to talk with you, with everybody. I went to Norway to complete my book. Actually, it's already released on Amazon, everywhere. But I went to Norway. So I was in Norway on December. Nobody was there. It was really, really interesting. I did like a challenge. I'm here, so I passed. So yeah, let's continue with coding. Sorry, guys. Let's practice. I was adding the background thing. This is working pretty well. What's next? What's next? Yeah, the layout in general is a bit messy, so I have to fix this. So I just removed the component because I don't want to be spending. No, no, no. This is not okay because I'm still calling the the endpoint, so I'm still consuming credits on Tabus. So let's find function. um I don't remember. No, this is actually in simulation room. Yeah, let's place a typo right here, so this won't happen. Let's refresh. Yeah, for all the investors looking at this stream, this is a tool that we can sell actually B2B, because this can be a tool that all the funds like Y Combinator could use internally. So they can upload their avatars. Let's say Tom or Dalton or Michael could upload and train their avatar and provide this tool to all the YC alums, so they can practice using the white label from Y Combinator. It sounds promising, right? Okay, we have live AI Shark. That's good. Let's fake a little bit or mock the interface so we can have an idea of how this is looking. Yeah, this is so much code. Well, the thing is that documentation from tables doesn't provide like a very clear idea how to make these components. So what I did, I'm gonna show you what I did. Um, I had to debug this component because I was, how is doing Eric Simons to show tables in this way, right? Because if you use it as documentation from tables explained, it shows a lot of components and layout that you don't want on your application. It's not like the best layout. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna show you how I did this. I start debugging. Apologize. Oh, yeah, apologize. That was what I want to say. Um, I use a lot of sessions. I guess I just got blocked or in general. There is a limitation tab regarding to that because I will have the same issue if I publish my product. But at the end, what I did was like opening this. Yeah, I guess we'll reach the limit per day. But one way to, sadly, I'm not able to show you this, but I was debugging of the code. Then I realized that there is a library called Daily GS. Yeah, but it's not like this. Yeah, unfortunately, I cannot show you because I don't have like a stack because the way to do this. Well, wait, well, let's try again because right now he's fetching, so we should be able to like catch. So yeah, this is what I did yesterday, but huh, I believe this is hard coded. Maybe I don't know because I'm not seeing the request. But at the end, yeah, you have to go here and search for yeah, actually have everything debugged here. So I find they are using a different library which is called daily. Maybe we have something here, but yes, I saw also about the send app message. Of course, this is obfuscated, but it's clearly easy to understand what this is doing. So it's creating the conversation, it's calling the join method, and it is creating the conversation here. Then I figure out they are using like a video tab, not the iframe. So that's how I were able to implement the same or similar implementation in my project. So you know, because somebody were asking me on Discord how to make this, and in that time I told him that I didn't know how to do it because I didn't know, but right now I know how to do it, and this and you can take a look to my code right now and copy paste the same implementation or similar. You can have an idea. Of course, this is something that Bolt did to me, but I did the component by myself. This daily video component, I did it by myself because Bolt was creating a different sim. Not it was working, but not that well. So I did the component internally by myself. But yeah, let's continue. So we have daily session active. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So let's mock this to true. Let's try. Enter the shark tank. Um, credits active video call. Okay, we have to mock several properties. True, true, true. Let's can let's try again. No connection, not connection. I don't want to forget this. Did you imagine? I'm gonna place a to do tag because I don't want to forget this. Pretty much I will. You know how we are. We always do 100 things and we forgot everything. Connection is connect. Well, the search functionality is very useful, super useful, right? Okay. Hmm. Why this is using? I don't like this. Yeah. Let's remove this. And we are looking for to do before. What? Oh, I paste this. And then what? When? Yeah, copy paste the wrong place. So to do again. Blind fight one night. No, no, no. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Let's calm down. Um, the thing is, I want to go to the gym. That's the reason I'm crazy right now. Oh my god. Hmm. And through the Shark Tank. Okay, let's change this again. True. All system go. Active, active. No connection URL. Yeah, I know what this is too much. So I have another idea. I'm trying to not expand my credits. That's the reason I'm doing all of this. But I have a better idea right now. I will be returning. I will be returning another URL. So so I won't be using my credits. Hmm. This is okay. Hmm. Simulation room. False. False. To do. No more to do, but we have a typo that we put here. Let's remove it. No need to refresh, but I like it. Okay. We have to debug the URL, the URL. I don't remember any other change, but maybe section active. We pass down to delete video component to do. Oh, false. To do. No more to do. Enter the chart tank. Connecting to video call. Connection error. Try refreshing the website. Mm-hmm. URL This is because for some reason I put somewhere. Let me check. I told you this is gonna happen, right? So we have yeah, I remember I changed an if somewhere. Let me try something. 1 minute ago. So yeah, what I'm doing here right now is because I always oh yeah, I have to check through the changes here because what I do is creating a branch so I can keep a track record of the changes, and I'll always work with like, well, prerequisite, everybody does this. But this is very useful when this happens, so you can take a look to the changes, the individual component. Let me check if I changed that already. False is connected, that's correct. But what else I change? Um, it looks like well, I changed more things. So yeah, 2 minutes, 50 minutes. Let's see what we changed here. Yeah, see, that's why it's really important to have tracking all the changes and a backup. No worries. We have something happening, but that's okay. We will find it very soon, so we can continue with important stuff. We have we already changed that. Okay, this may be only required to reload the page. Let's inspect. I place a lot of console logs, so we can take a look. I don't know why when I open the console log here in Vault, the website, all the application reload. Okay, yeah, exactly. It is reloading. Like I don't know if you saw this, but it is reloading the website. That's not common at all. I don't have anything like configure to do that. Okay, let me check the network stack. Let's clear this. Enter. Okay, okay. Looks like it is not even waiting for the tables conversation because if you saw, the error happened before. So let's go back, tracking this chunk. Oh, I'm used to read the code this way. I know you could do like the mapping stuff, but we don't need it right now. Yeah, definitely. I have a race condition right here. Must be related to the variables. I should have something saying that as I change the status, something is being passed as a true. Maybe, maybe it's connecting. I have so much code. This is the reason. Let me go through it very quickly. Session active, false, false. Let's load in true. That's correct. Page null. Session start false. Connecting false. That's okay. So let's go to the other component. It's loading true. Is connected false. Connected false. False has joined false. It's meeting end. It's connected. It's not. It's meeting. It's connect. It's join. Daily. Um, yeah. False. False. We had something different here. Daily video component. Daily video component. History. Did the change? Let's check for this. Okay. Exactly. Exactly. We find the bug. Enter the shark tank. No. Let's reload.
Welcome to
Mhm.
Shark.
This is so beautiful. Okay. I have to memorize the screen because I don't want to be using my credits for this. So we had duplication like end ending the call. I saw something in the toolbar related to it. Hmm, where could be that? No, this is daily video component. Yeah, here. So controls. We already have the controls on the top, so we don't have the controls on the bottom. Yeah, I don't want to have the controls. Just as I don't want to remove the code, just let's disable like this. Yeah, we don't have the controls anymore. Um,
James.
thank you. Video session active. Let's remember that. Video, video, video session active. This one. So we want this to disappear. Instructions overlay. Why we really? Now you're live. Let me think. We really want this or not? You get into the shark. Um, Let me think. Do we really need this instructions overlay or not? I'm gonna go simple. Kiss. Kiss principle, if you don't know what's Kiss principle, let's look for it. Keep it simple, stupid, easy. So let's go Kiss. I don't want to remove the code, so either, so let's go this way. Let's try it one more time. Enter the shark tank. No connection. Okay.
James, so Usin is an AI-driven skincare companion. How big is the market you're targeting? And what's your projected revenue for the next 3 years? Give me some hard numbers.
Okay, we need to fix the alignment as we have the code related to this. I use ChatGPT. I prefer to use ChatGPT for some minor task. It's funny how I'm not coding anymore. I'm starting to for what? Okay, I need to wait a minute. Um, Come on. Maybe this is what I'm looking for. There is study. There is a new study about ChatGPT will decrease your IQ. This is a new study. What do you think?
James, I think you've got an interesting concept with Usin, but I need to see some.
Uh, I need to place the. Maybe I remember top is not working with position relative, but come on, guys, I'm not a developer anymore. I need to place the uh, very top bottom. Okay, okay. Now this must be related to this. We need to get the background color again just to realize how much space is taking the canvas. Yes, exactly. So, yeah, mm, yeah, it's not working. Um, huh. Okay, I guess you already know the answer, but not me. Sorry. So I need to play to align to the bottom. Let's end. Hey, Misty, join us. This is Misty. I will be showing her all the streams, all days. Uy, cosita. Be careful. No, not working. What else we have here? Okay, ensure vertical layout. What about height? What else? No, just okay. Wait, remove button. Okay, I won't removing that, but oh, we're missing a F.
James, that's an interesting pitch, but I need to see some real numbers. What
Uh, she really needs to see some numbers. Exactly. Oh my God, this is so funny. I really love this. I really having good time working on this project. You know what will be awesome? Being a Shark Tank, showcasing and pitching this project.
Welcome to Shark Tank. James, your elevator pitch sounds.
I removed something. Okay. Why? What?
Welcome to Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea, Usin.
I feel the image is too small. We need to make it
I see you're concerned
big.
about the image size, James. However, I'd like to focus on your business pitch for Usin. Can
Uh, oh my God. He have a concern with the image size as well. What is this? No, I'm not sure because I already have the things that this may be related to the canvas. And this is really hard logic. So, hmm, I'm thinking I really need to see where is background color, where are how the spaces are distributed on the interface because I'm not sure. So let's start adding some background colors to understand how it's the proportion. Yeah, exactly. This is the red, so it's taking all the space. This is good.
welcome.
Okay, let's add some green to this one. No, yellow, because green is the original background color. So let's add yellow. Yeah, the picture results are not working yet. It's smoke, so we have to change that. Okay, we are
Well,
talking. Yellow is the one that we need to fix. So maybe yeah, this is the answer. Uh-huh. So we are using the white one. We really need to use maybe 4-3.
welcome to Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea, Usin.
Looks like looks weird or not? I'm not sure. I'm feeling like it looks like a weird.
James, let's focus on your business. Usin, what
I'm
are your revenue
sorry, I
projections for the
can't right
next?
now. Excuse me. Excuse me. 1-1. Let's try 1-1. Oh, people act really immature. Sorry, I'm 35 years old. What I feel is like I am 25. I don't know why. I don't have like a perception of the time, honestly. I swear, I'm being honest. I don't have perception of the time, but I have to realize that I'm now 35 years old and try to keep that in mind now lately. I'm not like this always, only when I'm coding.
The Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea, Ethan.
Hmm. No, no, no.
James, let's get down to business. What kind of revenue are you projecting? Welcome to Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea, Usun.
Yeah, the proportion is not like the best one. I really have to fix this. It looks like a shrink. So one's not working. I guess I could do like a 1, 2, maybe. Yeah, for this week I could be also working on a mobile application. I expect it to complete this product by today, so I will be working with Expo, creating a new application. I have some ideas right there. My partner Jose is working on a Will Testament application. As we know, if I ask you, do you have a Will Testament? The answer pretty much won't be will be no. You don't have anything. So what if you have an accident? We don't want that, but if you die, you have your assets, and you know the government can take it, right? If you don't have like a testament. So that's the reason why I asked to Jose to create a will testament, because the idea is to have also DocuSign integrated, so it will be like a real testament, and you can use it. I mean, if you are going to take a Boeing, you can just upload the website from the mobile, complete your will testament in 5 minutes, and you can go now in the Boeing. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Um, I never use the aspect radio, so I just testing.
Welcome to Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea, Usun.
Um, okay, as I really need to continue, I will be using um, one doesn't look good, maybe 3, 2. This is my last test because I want to continue, and then I can do like a small things like this one. I can go back, do some QA, and fix small details like this one. It's not that important. We already have like a proof of concept. It's working pretty well, so I prefer to continue working on other things. um, 1 second, because I don't know how to.
Well, James, that's a bold claim about helping women achieve healthier skin. Tell me, what kind of revenue are you projecting for the next 3 years?
Sorry.
James, let's focus.
uh, I
James,
find
no.
I found how to disable my microphone for the next time. Okay, we have some things overflowing here, like this AI shark, and also we have something that I'm not sure what it is. So let's find this. Time seems it's not here. Okay, same. I will be removing any element that is just doing like a extra noise that we don't really need.
Welcome to Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea, Usin.
Hello.
James, let's dive right in. You've got an AI driven skincare companion. That's interesting. What kind of
Okay.
revenue are you projecting for the
Okay, there's still something on the interface. So let me debug this. Yeah, for some reason debugging is not working on my computer, but this just happened when I use Bolt. The page reload and reload and reload forever. So yeah, I'm not like really happy with my debugging environment. Sorry. So we have this live. I have to debug this. Imagine the components. Let's try. We have the live. This one. I'm thinking it's this one,
Welcome
but
to Shark Tank?
no, that's
James?
participant count. Oh yeah, it's
James,
disable.
focus.
I'm sorry, you can't right now.
No worries, James.
You can have so much fun talking with the avatar. We also have. Oh, maybe I can select this 0. Yeah, this is the participant count. Have you seen that I make? Yes, this is my first time having this model. Do you want to resend to your last message? Hmm, I choose that one. Okay, it's not anymore. And then we have one more. It's not live. This is false. This is false. We have one last component behind this live tag. Um, yeah, I'm debugging like a baby. So um, it's not this live active live. Oops, the session ends. Um, this is not a bug. This is expected because I have set as 2 minutes practice, but on Tavos I have set 30 seconds. As I said before, just to uh, use less credit for from Tavos. Okay, we have live. This is okay. We have AI Shark. This is okay.
Welcome to Shark
Only
Tank.
only
Let's talk
when
about your
it's active. We are seeing this only when it's active. So this is false. This is not at all. This is connection status overlay. Maybe we have two of these.
James, let's focus on Usain.
Yeah, this one. By the way, somebody's copying some of my projects. That's okay. You can do it. If you are there looking, do not copy my AI Shark. Everybody knows this is my project. You can copy the other project. That's okay, but do not copy this one. Somebody copy my hackathon batch component. This one. I did this as my first project for the hackathon, and then I was looking on internet, and somebody create like this same thing. Um, this Army. They copy my idea. Come on, guys. What are you doing? Look, but the generated code is not like the best one, right? If you go and check my idea, it's much better. You can do this, left, right, large, small. If you need to use the batch, you need to place this batch in all the submissions, you really need to use it. Or if you want, go to this army place and use this CSS and copy paste, or just copy one line. It's up to you. But okay, I just have 8% of battery, so give me 1 second to search the charger. I will be back. 1 second. All right, I'm back. Thank you. So let's back to the user interface. Okay, let's look. Okay, I want to disable this status. I don't I don't think that's useful on the
Welcome to Shark Tank. Let's talk about your idea,
pitch
Oisin.
perspective call. It's not like I really require.
James, let's cut to the chase. Your company, Oisin, claims to provide.
Believe there is a class called hidden. Oh, yeah. So we have your pitch, cool. We have controls for microphone for the camera. We have also credits here, not really required, but it's okay. We have the timer here. We have the timer here as well. We have a little description. We have the progress of the session, and we have everything ready. So end session. So session complete. Great job presenting your pitch. Complete the time, calculating the results. All of this is currently mock. So now we're going to implement. Yeah, but honestly, I want to jump into Sentry because that's something that we need to complete. Um, this is taking too much. Not sure if it's a bug or it's waiting for something, but I prefer to refresh. I don't want to be like using credits that much. So this is kind of weird, right? Um, externally, weird. Hmm. I don't like that. Yeah, I prefer to refresh everything just in case there is kind of bug. Mhm. I'm a bit scared or worried because if you take a look to the chat, looks like it's missing some of the conversation that we had. In the past, I had similar issues. I lost the changes. So imagine losing all the changes that we did. That could be a possibility. What happened, Misty? It is building. You can see here the timestamp randomly generated will be hidden very soon. So it should be ready in a second. Yeah, this is not the last one. And session, what's happening? Looks like something happened in that project, right? I didn't change anything, and yeah, something is wrong. It's not loading. Let's kill the server. Let's start the server again. In the past, I had experience that it was looking for environment variables. So um, for some reason, the chat didn't get those errors. But if you go to the inspector, you can find them. Um, okay, some independencies. I'm pretty sure the project that we were using is not anymore because I should have two different chats and I only see one. So yes, that's the reason that maybe this is not working at all. Suddenly, as you saw, everybody saw this. Phew. So yeah, I guess I'm out because ah, all right. Let me fix this by starting from the scratch, opening the GitHub repository. And this is why I have always a lot of copies. As you can see, this is another copy that I did separate from the Shark Tank AI number one. This is number two. Oh, unable to import the repository. I've seen that before. But what do you think, guys? What we should do? Hmm? I think we are blocked right now. There is one way to fix this, and it is making public my repo. But I don't want to do that on streaming, on live. So, I'm done. I'm gonna make some exercise, try to fix this, and then once gets ready, I will be streaming again because I don't want to make you lose time looking me fixing this kind of errors that doesn't have any value to you. So for now, I'm done. Well, we did something good. We already have all the streaming, the room simulation completely working and in a good shape. So for the next hours, maybe in 2 hours, I think so, um, I will be streaming again, showing you directly how to import, or I could say like how to implement Sentry on a web project to catch up any error, and then also RevenueCAD because I really need to complete this product by the end of today, hopefully. So bye bye. Thank you very much. See you later.